Hello and welcome to another edition of Stockwatch. As we get into the back end of the trading week, well, the last day of the trading week, we're hearing a few mixed results on the earnings season yesterday, and this is regards to Amazon and Mastercard. Mastercard did top expectations in the second quarter and mid a recovery in spending trends. So this is just basically more of the public getting back to normal life, and with that using the Mastercard top up on travel, leisure and other items as well. The company recorded this net income the last 3 months of $2.1 billion or $2.08 a share, and this was up from $1.4 billion or $1.41 a share in the prior quarter. So shares were up just over 1% in trading yesterday, and their chief executive has spoken out very buoyantly to say in terms of how people are spending, they're definitely getting more out more and seeing improvement in card present spending, particularly, as I said, in travel, retail and the restaurant categories as well, while e-commerce is still quite strong, ordering online and things like that, internet shopping. So, very, very buoyant mood for Mastercard and probably for Visa as well when they release their earnings report. Very, very good news for that industry. Whereas Amazon, on the flip side of this coin, their shares dropped by 7% yesterday. They did actually top another quarterly $100 billion revenue. However, they did miss expectations slightly, even if it is quite a big number. It also gave a weaker than expected outlook for third quarter revenue as well, and the CEO did blame the tough year of the pandemic and the ongoing struggle that it could have for lockdowns in the future that it is worried about. So as I said, shares did fall 7% in extended trading yesterday. So let's just take a quick look at Amazon at the moment. So what we're looking at here is the drop in price for a third consecutive session. We are still trading quite far above the Ichimoku cloud. However, with the Tenkan and Kijun lines, this is the base and converging lines of the Ichimoku indicator hanging on to candlesticks here. I am looking, I'll just put that in different color so it's easy to see. I am looking at the fact that it will most probably start coming to the downside in the next few trading sessions, and if we do touch this particular area here with the Ichimoku cloud, then we could actually start falling down. As you can see here, it's not out of the question. We've seen this rise, and then it's well in on the cards that it could actually hit these recent troughs here. We'll see if it goes past the recent areas that we've had for support and resistance, but in the near term it could actually start falling lower. So we'll see if that comes into fruition as well. And just let's take a look on intraday as well. So I'll just keep that circled, that apparent downfall of the prices, and as you can see here, we are emerged in the Ichimoku cloud now, so this could bring prices even further down. We look on a daily chart, we look on intraday charts just to give us a better perspective depending on what your trading strategy and likes are. But in the near term, we're looking that prices could fall, and obviously the first level would be at the 3,500 area region, which could be quite significant. So let's just take a look on Mastercard as well. I haven't looked on these for a while. They have been doing very, very good trading recently. So let's just look on the daily chart first of all. So as you can see, it is trying to propel itself higher. It had this miss a few sessions ago where it collapsed pretty much, but now we've pretty much done a full reversal now, which means that the bias is still on the upside for the price. And obviously, we'll see, this is most probably a false break for me. So we'll see if prices can extend above the price they are at now, roughly about the 390 region, 395. There's a nice solid top border of the Ichimoku cloud there, so that could prove a good support line if prices do start falling a bit lower. And just let's look on the intraday. And pretty much the same thing, we're trading above the Ichimoku cloud. There's not really much of a divergence on the RSI. I'm still waiting to see if the momentum will start falling lower, so we can perhaps have a hidden bullish divergence and that will propel prices higher as well. So, this is what I'll be looking at in the next few trading sessions. So as I said, earnings season upon us, very exciting times, very good times to trade stocks as well. So just keep an eye on any of the potential stocks that you are interested in on the earnings season calendar. So that's all for this week from the Stock Watch. Glad that you could join me once again, and any questions and queries, as usual, please add them to the post and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and we'll speak again soon. Bye for now.